Have you ever wondered why some people seem to catch every cold that goes around, while others sail through flu season without a single sniffle? We often credit a strong immune system. But what if I told you the secret to that strength isn't just in your immune cells? What if it's hiding in plain sight, in a place you might least expect? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating and often overlooked partnership between your immune system and your gut. Get ready, because what you're about to learn could change the way you think about health forever. Let's start with a mind-blowing fact. Your immune system doesn't work alone. It's not some isolated fortress waiting for invaders. In fact, nearly 70% of your entire immune system, the vast majority of your body's defenses, are located in and around your gut. Think about that for a second. 70%. This isn't a random coincidence. It's a brilliant biological strategy. Your gut is the main interface between you and the outside world. Everything you eat and drink passes through it, bringing a constant stream of information, nutrients, and potential threats. It makes perfect sense for your body to station its best defenders right at this critical border. So, how does this partnership actually work? Imagine your gut lining as one of the most heavily guarded borders in the world. Every single day, your immune system acts as the border patrol, and it has to make incredibly complex decisions with split-second timing. Is this piece of protein from your lunch just food? Is this new bacterium a harmless resident or a dangerous invader? What's a friend? What's a foe? The stakes are high. If it gets it wrong, it could either let a dangerous pathogen slip through or launch a full-blown attack on a harmless piece of broccoli, leading to food intolerances and inflammation. This is where your gut microbes come into play. They are the unsung heroes, the master trainers of your immune system. From the moment you're born, these trillions of tiny organisms begin a lifelong training program with your immune cells. They teach them a crucial skill: tolerance. They show your immune system how to recognize harmless substances like food and friendly bacteria, and to not overreact. Think of it as teaching a guard dog not to bark at the mailman. At the same time, they also reinforce its defensive capabilities, priming it to recognize and eliminate real threats swiftly and effectively. Without this constant training from your gut microbes, your immune system can become confused. It can become overreactive, leading to allergies and autoimmune conditions where the body attacks itself. Or it can become underprepared and weak, leaving you vulnerable to infections. This connection is so vital that scientists have given it a name: the gut-immune axis. And it's not a one-way street. It's a constant, dynamic conversation. Your gut microbes and your immune cells are in perpetual communication, sending chemical signals back and forth. These signals are like real-time intelligence reports, allowing your immune system to adjust its sensitivity and readiness based on what's happening in the gut environment. When your microbiome is diverse and balance-filled with a wide variety of beneficial bacteria, the communication is clear. The immune responses are precise, targeted, and proportional. Just enough force to neutralize a threat, but not so much that it causes collateral damage. But what happens when that balance is lost? This condition, known as dysbiosis, is like having static on the line. The signals become distorted. The communication breaks down. Your immune system might receive a panic signal when there's no real danger, leading to chronic, low-grade inflammation throughout the body. Or it might miss a genuine alarm bell, allowing an infection to take hold. This distorted signaling is now being linked to a huge range of health issues, from digestive problems to mood disorders and, of course, a dysfunctional immune response. So, how exactly do these microbes talk to our immune cells? One of the most powerful ways is through the very molecules they produce. Let's talk about one of the coolest parts of this entire process: short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs for short. When the good bacteria in your gut get the food they love, which is dietary fiber, from plants like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, they ferment it. This fermentation process isn't just about breaking down food. It's about creating powerful signaling molecules. The main SCFAs are butyrate, acetate, and propionate. And these aren't just byproducts, they are essential messengers that profoundly shape your immunity. What do these magical molecules do? First, they are the primary fuel source for the cells that line your gut, helping to strengthen that critical barrier and prevent leaky gut. A stronger barrier means fewer unwanted substances can pass into your bloodstream and trigger an immune response. Second, they are potent anti-inflammatory agents. They actively calm down hyperactive immune cells, helping to reduce the chronic inflammation that underlies so many modern diseases. Third, they directly regulate the activity and development of key immune cells, like T cells, ensuring they function correctly. They can even influence gene expression inside your immune cells, essentially telling them which genes to turn on or off to mount the most appropriate response. Here's the key takeaway about SCFAs: you can't get them from a supplement in the same way. They aren't just nutrients you consume. They are signals that your body produces internally. And they only exist when the right microbes are present in your gut and when you feed them the right fuel fiber. This means that every meal you eat is an opportunity to send a message to your immune system. A meal rich in diverse, fiber-filled plants tells your gut microbes to produce these amazing SCFAs, which in turn tells your immune system to stay calm, balanced, and strong. A meal high in processed foods and low in fiber does the opposite. It starves your beneficial microbes and silences these crucial signals. So, when you think about your health, remember this: your immune system isn't just reacting to the outside world. It's constantly listening. It's listening to the silent, invisible world inside your gut. The conversation between your microbes and your immune cells is one of the most important dialogues happening in your body right now. By nurturing a healthy, diverse gut microbiome through a diet rich in fiber and whole foods, you are not just feeding yourself, you are feeding your microbial allies, and in doing so, you are actively training and supporting your immune system to be the best it can be: strong, smart, and perfectly balanced. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this gave you a new appreciation for the incredible ecosystem living inside you. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into your health. Let me know in the comments what you do to support your gut health. See you in the next video.